In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize cart button colors using custom CSS. To get started, head over to Website Tools and then open Custom CSS. This is the area where you can add small style changes to adjust the look of your site without changing the core structure. If your goal is to update the appearance of elements in the cart, this is a quick and effective way to do it. Once you're in the Custom CSS section, the next step is to locate or paste the CSS selector for the cart element you want to change. For example, you might be working with a selector like .cart continue button. A CSS selector is simply the label that tells the website exactly which element should receive the styling. So if you're editing the continue button in the cart, you'll want to make sure you're using the correct selector for that specific button or container. After that, add the styling properties you want to apply. This is where you define the actual colors. For example, you can set the text color using color, followed by a hex color value, and you can set the button or container background using background color, also followed by a hex color value. This allows you to match the cart design to your brand or make key buttons stand out more clearly for visitors. As you do this, pay close attention to formatting. CSS works best when each property is written clearly and correctly, including the colon and semicolon. Even a small typo can prevent the style from appearing as expected. If you're pasting in an existing selector, it's also a good idea to double check that you're editing the right element before saving your changes. When you're satisfied with the colors you've entered, go ahead and click Save. That will apply the CSS update so the cart element reflects the new styling. If you don't see the changes immediately, try refreshing the page or checking the cart on the live site. Sometimes browser caching can delay visual updates for a moment. It's also helpful to preview the cart experience on both desktop and mobile so you can confirm the colors are clear, readable, and consistent across devices. That's it. By going to Website Tools, opening Custom CSS, adding the correct cart selector, setting your color and background color values, and saving, you can quickly update the look of your cart and create a more polished shopping experience.